Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by making sure the app and permissions are ready. That saves friction later. Open the Google app or Google Photos and tap the lens icon in the search bar or toolbar. If prompted, allow camera and storage access so Lens can analyze live images and saved photos. Point your camera at the object you want to identify and hold steady. Once Lens recognizes content, it highlights areas of interest. Make sure to switch between camera and gallery modes when you need to analyze an existing image. Once Lens highlights a subject, tap the highlighted region to refine the result and see labeled suggestions. For text, drag the selection handles to capture exact lines, then copy, translate, or search that text. This is great for receipts or menus. If it's a product, swipe results for shopping links and price comparisons. For plants, animals, or landmarks, review similar images and information. Use the back arrow to retake or the gallery toggle to switch to a saved photo when you need more control. Finish by saving or sharing the best Lens result. Tap Save to add to Google Photos or Keep, or hit Share to send the link or copied text to another app. If you need precise sourcing, open the web result and use the browser's Share or Favorite options. If Lens struggles to identify something, retry with improved lighting, stabilize the camera, or crop the frame to remove clutter. Those fixes resolve most recognition errors. If problems persist, update the app or clear its cache and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.